Ever been in a car accident? You might think calling your insurance is enough, but that one mistake could cost you thousands of dollars. Today, I'm going to show you what car accident lawyers know that you don't, and how it can save your health, your money, and even your future. And it's not just call a lawyer. There's more to this than you think. So stay with me till the end, because your next accident might depend on this info. A quick reminder to like, subscribe, and share this video. Car accident lawyer secrets. Know this before you settle. Let me tell you about James. A 34-year-old was rear-ended while heading to work. No major injuries, or so he thought. 3 weeks later, intense neck pain. Couldn't sleep, couldn't work. The insurance offered him a ridiculous $1,500 settlement. That's when he called a car accident lawyer. And guess what? That lawyer fought, brought in medical experts, and James walked away with $45,000. Now imagine if James had signed that first offer. Most people do. So, what to do after an accident? Here's exactly what to do after an accident. In order. Call emergency services. Even if you feel fine, always report the accident. Police documentation matters. Gather evidence, photos of the scene, license plates, injuries, and traffic signs. Don't admit fault, even if you think it's your fault. Avoid saying I'm sorry or it was me. Get medical attention. Go to a hospital or clinic immediately. Delayed treatment weakens your claim. Call a car accident lawyer before speaking to any insurance company. A quick reminder to like, subscribe, and share this video. What car accident lawyers do? Most people think lawyers just file lawsuits. But a car accident lawyer does way more. Handles negotiations with insurers who want to underpay you. Reviews your medical records to match injuries at the accident. Calls in expert witnesses and accident reconstruction pros. Reduces or negotiates your medical bills. Fights for full compensation, not just car repairs. This isn't about being greedy. It's about not letting billion-dollar insurance companies rob you. Top 5 mistakes people make after an accident. Here are the biggest mistakes people make that ruin their cases. Not documenting injuries. No photos equals no proof. Admitting fault at the scene. That's legally dangerous. Talking to the other party's insurance. Just don't do it. Posting about it on social media. Your post will be used against you. Waiting too long to get a lawyer. Evidence fades. Time is crucial. If you or someone you know has been in an accident, don't wait. The insurance company is already preparing. Click the link in the description to connect with a licensed car accident attorney for free. They'll evaluate your case and help you avoid these mistakes. Check the description below to free legal evaluation on our website. In our next video, we'll break down how car accident settlements are calculated and how some lawyers get 3x more than others. Subscribe so you don't miss it.